Hey YouTube, what's going on? Corey here with Bark Tree Care, and if you want your machine to last a long time, you need to take time for maintenance. So this morning, got a super busy schedule, but we're taking a few moments to do some maintenance before we go out so that our machine can last. We've got a brand new SC382 that we got last spring, and periodically we need to change the oil on it. So that's what we're working on right now, and it's pretty easy to change the oil on it. Doesn't take a whole lot of time. So obviously it's something that could be very costly if you have to replace your motor. Super simple. Get you a bucket, put the hose in there, drain your oil, change out your filter right here on the back, fill her back up, and you're ready to go. That's all it takes. Take a few moments and make your machines last. Have a good one, guys. Stay safe out there.